The teacher is the embodiment of all the past Buddhas. The Buddha doesn't necessarily teach in his own form. He may appear as a human in front of people, an animal in front of beasts, a hell being in front of hell beings. To help people, the Buddha appears as an ordinary Dharma teacher in front of humans. The teacher is the source of all the future Buddhas. After people listen to the teachings of the teacher, their mind streams will be brought to maturity. Without the teacher giving instructions and persuading people to generate renunciation and bodhicitta, it is impossible. People will attain perfect enlightenment and appear as the Buddhas of the future. The teacher is the representative of all the present Buddhas. All Buddhas of the 10 directions dwell in pure Buddha fields, and the teacher is their representative. Therefore, the teacher embodies the essence of all Buddhas throughout the 3 times.